Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the additional settings. Here you'll see the button shortcuts tab there, and as can you see, we got the functional shortcuts section, and now, for example, by double press to our power key button here on the right side of our device, we can launch the camera, and just go here to do that, and tap here to switch to the double press the power button, and now we'll try to do that. Yes, can you see, I'm just launched the camera by double press my power key, and now we'll just go back and we'll switch off this option, and now we'll go to the section to the turn on the torch by double press the power button, and now we'll check that. Will turn my device, and as can you see, I'm just press twice to the power button, and I just enable my flashlight, and now we'll just turn it off. As can you see, that's really work. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.